So what you can also do is you can manage saved passwords inside of Microsoft Edge. So to do that, you need to click on the three dot button and then you need to go to settings right here. So once you go around over here onto settings, you can go around onto your profiles and then go around and click on password over here. So once you go around onto password, then you can see all of your saved password over here. So what you can do is you can go around and manage them by going around and by clicking on individual password. So you do need to enter your PIN of computer, and this is what you have. So over here you can see the note, and you can go around and copy the username over here just like this as well, so that you can go around and paste it out right here just like this anywhere you want. And you can also delete or edit out that password. So you can go around and edit, and let's say for example the username does not have @gmail.com, then you can simply go around and edit this out over here. And maybe you changed out password for Wikipedia, then you can go around and simply click on edit over here just like this, and then change out the password according to how you want and click on done, and that is how you can manage. If you want to go ahead and delete out a password, then you can go around over here and delete out the password over here as well. And you can go around and add in a new password later on as well. And that is how you can manage saved passwords inside of Microsoft Edge. And you can also go around and then go to settings over here and see some other password settings as you like. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.